bro.
Shopping in Japan, that's where I always stand. Went to school for 2 days, then I got in. Skipped to school, yeah, I had to that up.
All right. I want to tell y'all something. First, let's go over this. How y'all doing? We finally bought the challenge, and we got a couple of trades today. So look where we're in right now. I'm gonna see. I ain't look at this joint in a minute. What, like 1.5 on the account. Did I really buy right there? Okay. Oh, did I really buy right there? Let me see. Probably did. Okay, yeah, that seemed like where I bought at. Yeah, that's a good, yo. I probably bought right there. I still don't think it's gonna go down, but it might. Oh, let's see. Okay, daily. This is kind of like holding. It is scary. Look, it goes up, come back down. This is the lowest. It goes up, it comes back. This is the lowest. It goes up, come down, come up, come down. This is the lowest. This is the lowest, but look how it doesn't go. It doesn't go all the way down here. So once it broke this high, it didn't really, never really came back, never really broke the lowest point of the high. I have to understand market structure. So like you just look at it repeatedly. So I just understand for market structure. Really understand market structure what it is. It's gonna get something like this, boom, consistently. If it's not like, all right, so say, okay, new highs, boom. Just say this. Look, market is so easy. This is probably the simplest way you could do it. New highs. So it comes from here. This is the low. This is the high. This is the low. Boom. This is the high. So anything above here can reach to here, and which it does. So, like, look. So it comes down. It comes back up. It's gonna come here. It comes down. It comes back. This is the low. It comes down. It comes back up. Comes down. It comes back up. Comes down. Comes back up. Finally, it does come here. You could take profits here. It never hit low. Never hit low. But you see, if it did not want to come back, it is, you can see a lot of people that don't want to go. But if it didn't want to come back, it probably would have just went down and never came back up from here. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. Let me show you. Boom. Let me show you. What do I mean? If price breaks highs and never comes back, most likely it ain't coming back. Basically. So this is the low. Where would you enter? You can be on some risky stuff and get a quick entry from below and then wait to enter here. So that's like a double entry. Or you can come down. Mm, it's a lot of, you see it never come back up. So why even buy? Anything above this is a cancellation. So it's not even a point for this. No point. Now, let me show you one more time again. Just keep it simple. Like, just understand market structure. Just keep it simple. Anything above will always come back here without breaking lows. Keep it simple. So, what do I mean? Sometimes it, like I said, boom, it comes here, boom. This was the low. This is the new low. So even here, you can. I don't know if you do buy here, but if you do, it comes right back here. What does it do here? Even if you want to just find new lows, watch this. Even if you find new lows, it doesn't break here. Look, it doesn't break here. Comes up, comes here. You say come down, comes here. You enter, boom, boom. Never hit low. Come up. Can we get another example? Sure, Sam. Let's go. It comes here. Boom. This is the low. Boom, boom, boom. Hits here. It happens too much. It is a high stop loss, but this happens. I'm telling you, this happens way more um than you hit a stop loss. So if you do this about 20 times, you might hit stop loss about once, twice out of like 80%. And granted, you try to get a 101. You try to get a 101. Try to get a 101. In all honesty, try to get early entries. And that's what we're not even gonna talk about early entry. Try to get a 101. A 101 ain't really a 101. It's like a 0.9. But if you could do like an 80% win rate, 90%, 80 to 90% win rate, it doesn't really matter. Because it's the net profit would be about maybe about the profit factor would probably be like 2.5, around 2.53, maybe if it's 90%. Probably 5. It really should be 5. So, like, look, in all honesty, it breaks here. Like I said, this would be a loss though. This would be the low. Comes here, breaks here. Oh, so boom, comes here. So boom, it breaks here. It comes down. Maybe you enter here. Comes lower, you lose. Boom, comes here. You enter again. Buy, down, comes back up. Comes back up. You want price to come to here. Boom, comes up. Boom. Then this is just a L. It is a L. I'm not gonna say it works all the time, but look how high price is. So, does it work all the time? Sure. No, it doesn't. It doesn't work all the time, but it does work 90%. Because if I go to somewhere else, if I just pick a random spot, it breaks out of this long downtrend, boom, comes up. Maybe you have to go on 4 hour. But look, what does happen here? Look, when it creates new highs, boom. What was the previous low? So boom. Once it broke here, that was the previous low. Comes here, breaks new high. This was the previous low. Granted, the low is kind of down here, but it works. So comes here, boom. So boom, enter here, boom. Say you enter here, boom, buy. come here, come here, come here, come up. What does it do? Anything above here, it came here, came right back, came right back. Boom, it's holding. Boom, it comes back. Boom, because it's in an uptrend. It doesn't want to go down. It doesn't. This is not showing me it wants to go down. It's not showing me it wants to go down. Like it's not making like even say if you do want to sell. The sell is kind of stupid, but let's try to think of it as in sell mindset. Like I said, you want to trade something, you know the direction is going. Just try to trade with the direction. So if you did want to sell, it works for sales too. So boom. I wouldn't like this sell because this is not a full break to me. So like it comes here, it breaks, comes down, boom, it breaks. Yeah, it's not a full break to me. I'm sorry. So I probably won't even sell this, but it does work. It does work. So cause look, breaks here, comes up, this is the lie, boom, comes right back. Boom, comes here, comes right back. This is the new low, never came back. Never came back. So we know it's on a ride. It's on a run. Boom, comes here, comes up. Boom, comes here. Boom, 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 comes here. Boom, low here. Boom. It's so uh like we could just keep drawing forever. Like even right what you want to do? What do you want to do? This is the downtrend year. Even during downtrend year, you can still buy. Still buy. Because even if you decide on buying, look at this. Even if you decide on buying, it broke from here. It never really came back. So it broke, but that's like a week break. You don't really want to. But look at that break. You would really even want to trade this. So even if you did try to buy, it's very hard. Like like it won't show you a buy. Like even in the downtrend, it won't show you a buy. So look. So it comes here, boom, high, low. So like even this is a buy. So say it comes here, boom, comes down, comes up, comes down, comes. It's not breaking real quick. So even if you do buy and it comes up and you see it's not breaking, I just get the hell out because it's not going above this yellow bar. So we can get out. Um, even right here. So boom, it comes here. It doesn't. It's not going back. It's showing you it's not going. You have to follow the market on a higher time frame. It's showing you it's not going. But if I do like even in buys, it's showing you it's not going. Because look, every time it breaks for new buys, it never comes back, but it makes a new low. So why the hell would you buy? Like, look, like it's so hard not to follow the trend with this method. Because look, even if it goes, you say I want to buy. Just keep saying you want to buy. You come up, boom. Even if you do want to buy, there is opportunities to buy. Very long stop loss, but look, it comes back to the spot you wanted to buy at. But look at this. So it comes back, boom, boom. It makes new lows. So the new low is right here. Boom. Comes out, comes in, you enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Never really hit lows again. Comes down. You probably come in. You can say you lose this one. You could get kind of scary off this one, in all honesty, because it is super low. Like it is like mega low. Like even if you, it is like mega low. So like boom, boom. It is like it ain't like it's like mega low. But we just talking about buys. So boom, buys. Like I keep telling you, even if you want to buy, once it breaks here, boom. Let's say just like it's not really giving you buy unless you want to buy here and find some type of way to buy here and want the stop loss there. It comes right back. Boom, another buy position. Boom, never comes back. And even when it comes back, boom, it comes up. It doesn't really finish the product. So, but another buy breaks out. Boom, comes back. Boom, comes up. Boom, it works. Comes back, breaks. Boom. Does it ever come back? It doesn't work. But you see how in buys you can still get somewhat profit. But check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Even in buys, you can still get somewhat of a profit. But say we do follow the trend. Look how powerful following the trend is. New break. It breaks here. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. You sell off. Boom. It hits. Oh my gosh. Boom. It's not really breaking. It's not really breaking too much. You might be skeptical, but it's showing it doesn't want to break. You can see from the candles, you can see from the wick action, you can see it doesn't want to break here. So even if it comes back down, this is a long stop loss, so you hold, boom, comes back down. New, boom, another one. It comes all the way down here. So anything below here, what's going to happen? It's going to sell off. This was the low. Boom, boom, boom. Before it came high, this would have been the high. Or something. Something in this nature would be a high. So boom, comes up. Boom. Maybe you don't enter here. Comes up. It hits stop loss. Boom. You come enter. Boom. Sell off. Comes right back down. So even if you do enter, like, look, this is nice. This is a nice entry. Because look at all this. So this is like a super good entry right here. Because the stop loss ain't like it ain't this. You will want a stop like this, to be honest. Because look, in all honesty, I'm not trying to be on no funny stuff. You really try to hurry up and fight rather win. So, boom, you gotta enter here. Boom, say you sell off. Um, say you sell off here. You can really do a 101. In all honesty, you can do a 101. Oh, honesty, can do a 101. It happens. It works. Majority of if you really have a good stop loss, 90% of the time this is gonna work. Sometimes having a tight stop loss, it will close out the percentage, but we trying to ride the trend. We trying to figure out why a 3 to 1 R's will come like places like here with a good, but that's what market is giving me. The market is giving me I'm not asking. This is what the market is. The market hasn't given me a 1 to 1 R, but the market is giving me this. So boom, comes here. Even so, you put your stop here. Boom, and you put your TP here. Boom. It's a 3R. Boom, you lose. Whoop-de-doo. But I don't mind losing this. I don't. Because all right, comes back down here. Boom, 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 boom. And it comes strong. It's showing resistance. It's showing resistance. So what you'll do again? Boom. Enter. Stop loss around tighter. Boom. Nice 2.7. Boom. Nice 2.7. Boom. Enter. Well, bam. And it still hit 3. And it still hit a 3. 3R. Still hit a 3R. Still hit. Still hit. So, can we get it again? Where does price breaks? Um, price does break here. Price does break here. That, but what? Price never comes back here. So if price never comes back to where it was at low, you go to the new low. This is where the super low was at. It breaks here. It comes back. What does it do? Stop is kind of high. Boom. Stop is kind of high before it keep going down lower. So before this is the highest it been. Boom, 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 boom. It goes here. Boom, 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 boom. It's high stop loss, but I can't tell a market what is my RR. All I'm doing is following trend. And I swear to God, this happens consistently. 90% of the time, this happens. It's just the fact it's a high stop loss. Sometimes the market will give you a short stop loss. Sometimes it will give you a nasty stop loss. But most of the time, so sometimes you don't even have to enter. Like if you really think the stop loss is super nasty, don't even enter it. Don't even enter it. So like I won't even I just put like a 101. Like so I just enter. Me, I just enter this. I won't even try to look at the stop loss. Like if it's giving me if it goes up too much, like I said, we still have emotions. If you want to be a bot to this, that you would be a cold MF, but some people are bots to this, and that's come with years of experience. But if you want to be a bot, look, it does hit, it does hit, and then look, what does it do again? It hits the same price. Boom. This is a nice wickage, but it does hit. Boom, it comes under. Boom, it comes right back to here, and that's what the stop loss would have been at. You feel me? Uh, another buy entry. So it comes here. This the buy comes down, comes right back up. Sell off here. Boom. And sell off here. Boom. Comes here. Mm, comes down. Comes up. Comes here. Comes down. Maybe you can get out here. Get out here. No, you don't. You lose. Boom. Now it's time to go up. But this is the downtrend of 2022. So this is just long term downtrends. You can find better oppositions, better ways, but this is what the market has given me. And look how much times it happens. It breaks here. What do you do? Come here, enter here, boom. It's so easy. It's so easy. It's so easy. It's so easy. So easy. All right. Let me see. And then Nas. Okay. I do a lot of bullshit on never really broke lows, you see? Going back above, never hit low. Going back above, buy again, never hits low. Going back above, never hit low. Going back above. I don't. So yeah. So what have I done today? In all honesty, and this is the advantage. We like I said, I went over the jump for long enough. I think so, but like I said, I can show other pairs. Like you said, I even showed like previous. Look, every time it breaks, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, bro, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, bro. Come like look, loss. This is the only loss you've seen. But come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. It works consistently. So we had a new one. Boom. This is where we at today. We entered. But we entered twice because what is this called? A gap. A gap. And gaps fill. Once you seen this, once I seen this on a on a Sunday night when the market opened, I had to enter because even if it did come and it filled here, at most, you get this and it comes back down and you go break even. Cause like I said, we don't know if market wants to keep rising, but market might want to keep rising because what did it do? Um, broke here, boom, came down. Mm, it wants to come up. Bye. Yeah. It push up. Then it comes back down. Okay, but comes down, breaks out, comes down. Market can definitely just keep going down and comes right back down to hell. It can. Because daily is the but it can't just say F it. But it looked like it's higher than this. And it's kind of giving resistance vibes, so it can come back down. This can come back down. But I'm not going to get off my trade because above the gold bar, it is still an uptrend. So even if this comes back down, it comes down and it comes back up, you can re-enter. Because what a downtrend will show you is it will never come back up from here. So if it comes down and it sells off here and doesn't here, it's telling me it doesn't want to go up no more. It doesn't want to go up. Like you can see, like I said, I keep showing y'all, it wants to come. If it comes down and it doesn't break lows, it wants to go back up. Every time it touches and passes this gold bar, it can't come back down. But granted, it will always go the trend direction. It will always go. Boom. This came. Never really broke lows. This is the low. Look, I swear, maybe it is a nasty low you don't want to enter. So you wait. Boom. I can't tell a market to give me a good RR. I could tell a market, the market can tell me where it wants to go though. The market will always tell me where it want to go. I can't tell it, give me a 10R. It's impossible. I can't say I want a 10R. I have to, the market have to give me what it wants. So look, this is a low. Boom. I gotta show everything. It's a low. It breaks new highs. But if it comes here and it comes back above this gold bar, it's guaranteed to come here without breaking lows. It's guaranteed. I swear it's guaranteed. I'm not saying this happened 100, but damn it, it almost happened almost 100% of the time. Just do it. I promise you. Me, that's why I take so long to pass the challenges, because it does take a long time. But I find this the best way for me. Like, say if you do enter here, just say a 101. So price came back here, the highest it been, and this is the lowest. Boom, even. All right, so we could say a 101. Yeah, like a 101. It's not beautiful. It's not, but it works. It works majority of the time. It works majority of the time. So I don't mind this one right here. Don't mind it at all. So what I'm doing is waiting. And look, I'm just waiting. So strong bullish momentum as it breaks here. So I don't mind holding on to this. Now, GJ, we done. We entered one down here because it was an empty cap, and we entered another one this morning when it was here. If it goes down, it goes down. If you want to come up again and you want to buy here, you can't really take full advantage on a prop firm because there's so much downwards movement, but you can probably lower the time frame in some type of way. So if you go like an hour, you can find stuff in like an hour. Like, if it does come here, boom, you see how it comes here, it never breaks low, but it kind of comes, doesn't really hit, so you lose. Mm, breaks here, comes down, never really breaks. You see, it kind of respect it. It kind of does. But if you see treacherous things like this, you might just want to stay out, lucky. But you can see it doesn't. It honestly doesn't want to go. You can do this on a lower time frame too. You can really do this on a lower time frame. Like, so say it's the new low. It breaks. It comes up. Boom. Boom. You wait till it breaks here. It comes up. This is the stop loss. Boom. It's not that hard. New high. Boom. Breaks here. Comes up. Uh, comes up. Comes here. You buy. Stop loss. Boom. It works consistently. 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 Want to follow? Just try to follow the main trend. Don't even do it. I tell y'all, don't even do it on a high time frame. Don't do it. 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 Try to. I meant on the low time frame. Don't try to figure out the market first. Because in all honesty, I feel like if you do it on a higher time frame, you will always look at the higher time frame, and when you notice the total move of the higher time frame, I feel like that's when more entries could come in. That's when more entries could come in. So I would just tell you, if you do trade this way, figure it out on a higher time frame. Look at the overall movement on a higher time frame. Like, granted, you can trade 5 minutes, you can trade 15 minutes. I don't like to per se, but you can, because this works the same way. It's just this one is more of the following the trend, following the motion, knowing the bigger picture. Now, US 30, where it broke out from here. So even if it comes down here, I would like it to, once it come back down, if it doesn't come back up, you don't enter. If it comes all the way down here, still might think about entering here. If it comes down here, boom. All right, put the stop loss here. Comes down, doesn't break here. comes up, could at least come here or right here. Like, look, it's a lot of stop losses. So, boom, here, boom, here. So, even if you do boom, hey, I want to enter from here. You enter. It's a long stop loss, but granted, it does hit. It does hit. Nas, Nas. If it breaks here, oh my gosh, we just enter. You enter, and if you, in all honesty, if it breaks here, uh, so no, I don't think it's gonna go this low. So what you can do is put it right here. Boom. Hmm. You're just waiting. So you're just waiting for here. I ain't gonna lie. I think if it come here, it's gonna pop out the birth bubble. But yeah, and that's what I got for US 30. I like Nas more. Gold. I was in gold. Crazy thing. I got off gold. I'm kind of glad I got off gold because it already happened. The move already happened. So we always just try to wait. Just be patient with gold. Be patient. Low key, gold is the type of joint. If it tap here, you can enter. So you tap in, it shows resistance. You probably could do it like a little stop loss, like right here, right here. Nice little 101. It is a nice little one. It comes down, comes back up. You can re-enter as long as it doesn't break. So, like I keep saying, if as long as it doesn't break lows, it comes down and it comes back above this gold bar, it's gonna hit TP most of the time. And GJ, we just waiting. Nas, we're just waiting. And all it is a waiting game. We just waiting. That's it. Just wait. And that's it. That's all we got for today. That's what we got for today. And yeah, that's it. That's it. And yeah, we just wait. What we do is just wait. It broke out and we just wait. That's it. And yeah, that's all we got for today. And yeah, peace.